Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Diablo 4 crashing on your PC. This tutorial will be quick and simple, just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So first things first you want to try is go to your File Explorer and click on Documents. Now in Documents you will see Diablo 4, you want to open it up, and here you will see local prefs txt file. You want to open it up. Let me drag it here. Now, you want to scroll down until you will see Disable Chroma Effects, and instead of 0, you want to write down 1, and then you're going to close it and save it. Now, once you have done that, you want to try to play Diablo. If it still crashes, then you want to update your drivers. So, for example, if I'm using NVIDIA, I'm going to go to NVIDIA app and check for drivers, and as you can see, I have a ready update. So I can go ahead and download it and update it. You can also go to Device Manager, and on Device Manager, on Display Adapters, you're gonna see your GPU and other graphics. You want to update them here. That's that. You also want to update your Windows, basically operating system, any you're using. So you're gonna check for updates here and update your operating system. Now, if nothing works, then you can check for corrupted and damaged files that can cause a wide variety of problems and errors. So you want to update the game and of Diablo, and this will often resolve the issues. So to check for the updates, you want to open up your BattleNet, choose your game, and here on Play, there's a gear icon where you want to click, and you want to check for updates. Now it will check for updates. If there's no updates on Diablo 4, then you want to use the repair tool. So you're going to click Options and click Scan and Repair, begin the scan, and it will take some time. Basically, try to do that. If that still didn't fix the problem, and it didn't fix your issue, you want to open up your graphics settings, and on graphics settings you want to choose Diablo 4, and as you can see, GPU preference, you want to choose the high performance one. It will work better with this one than with CPU. Now, there's also there might be an issue with virus and threat protection. You want to add an exclusion, so you go here, manage settings. At the bottom, you will see exclusions, add or remove exclusions, and you want to go ahead and add an exclusion. So you want to choose Diablo 4, just like so, and add it here. And that also may fix your problem. The same goes with Windows Defender Firewall. You want to add Diablo 4, allow an app or feature to go through Defender Firewall, change settings, and allow another app, browse, and you're going to add it here. You're going to find Diablo 4 exe file and click Open and add it here, just like so. Now, if everything fails, all you want to do is go ahead and go to Installed Apps, find Diablo 4, and uninstall it, and install it again. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.